Hey Connor, let's go on the Disney ride with the dead people on it.
That's fun.
So we came in through here. We've been up through Tomorrowland where we did the Space Mountain, and then up through the Fantasyland where we did the things with the people, and then we're down here at the one with the dead people.
He's talking about the
And I'm having it's the one with the dead people, and I'm having a good time. Connor.
Yes.
I've just realized the weather has drastically shifted at the exact moment we decided to go to the Haunted Mansion. It's raining, it's cloudy, it's beautiful. They really go all out on the atmosphere at the Haunted Mansion. They really go all out.
The tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appear in their corruptible, mortal state.
Spooky. I was very haunted and I didn't like it.
I liked it.
You would.
It was a lot of fun.
It was really cool. You think they're gonna put Mickey in a tarp? Because we haven't seen Mickey yet.
I don't know.
I really want to get a good look at that Michael Mouse. Michael Mouse. You know what? Let's do Splash Mountain.
We're already wet.
Might as well.
We're too far gone to be worried about how wet I am. Let's just go full wet.
Let's just do it.
This isn't even my final wet.
Splash Mountain is closed for weather.
Yeah, Splash Mountain is closed because it's too wet.
It's too wet for Splash Mountain. Oh, the tarps. So many tarps. Everyone's got tarps. So we've gotten lost a little bit, tiny bit. Thankfully I have my trusty compass. Okay, so it's very wet, and we've so conveniently lost our umbrella. This is good television. I spotted a real Disney Jedi. Where'd he go? There he is. A real live Disney Jedi. We've abandoned the park in favor of a jungle adventure. A massive treehouse in the jungle for adventure to have happen on it.
It's also very wet.
It's also probably a lightning hazard. It's a real jungle piano. Gosh, this is so cool. Thoughts?
I'm so wet.
Do you believe in magic now, Connor? Do you believe in magic now?
At what point did I say I didn't believe in magic? You've just been accusing me of that the whole time.
I could just jump off of this and die. So there's all of this happening, all the wetness, and we decided, hey, ice cream, right? It's actually really good ice cream, and it's some of the best I've had. It looks like Splash Mountain is open now. Let's do it.
She's tall enough.
Hello. You're my favorite Disney character.
How many hands?
2.
Thank you. Continue moving straight ahead and they'll take care of you.
You're my favorite Disney employee.
Thank you.
How many?
2.
2, take number 5.
You're my favorite Disney character. Scream. Scream for your inevitable fate. My hair is so wet. I know, it's gross. You look like you just crawled out of a TV. It's raining, and we already got wet from the other people.
You may get wet, the sign says. May get
wet.
You absolutely
It's
get
possible. I feel like they're all mocking me.
They are.
Okay, so we're going up the big climb at the end, and I'm almost positive Connor is falling asleep. You can't see him, but he is. Either that or he died somewhere along the way. Oh, we're going up.
I'm so wet.
Ah!
I fell asleep, but it woke me up.
It definitely did.
Oh. Better ruin your phone.
Where's Mickey? I need to see the mouse. Show me.
I want to talk to him as well, honestly.
Show me the mouse.
I've already told people I want to talk to him.
I want to give him a hug.
I've got some things to say.
A big red mouse hug.
Are you losing your voice?
I'm losing my voice at a slightly faster rate, but I'm losing my sanity. And that's very fast.
Just hold in there, buddy.
My brain is rotting for every second I am not hugging a mouse.
Hold on to your magic.
Shelter. Magic. Fancy magic shelter. Oh, the people are already packing in like they're hiding from Godzilla. We gotta get a spot. Oh, heck. Oh, beans. I gotta say, in some attempt to interject a heartfelt moment into this video, the inside of this castle is smaller than you would expect, but it is far more beautiful than I was thinking it would be. Out of the way, number 7! More like 7th in place!
I don't think they can move.
Go! Go faster! Oh, he's gonna pass us! He's gonna pass us! Hit him! Hit him!
I can only go as far forward as this guy in front of us.
Hit that guy! Hit him too! Bump him! Hit him! Violence! Support violence!
What has this ride done to you? You've changed.
Look! It's Bear and Tiger. Bear and Tiger are my favorite Disneys. They're my favorite Pokemon. Okay, so we stopped in a tavern for a warm cinnamon roll, tea, and ye olden Sprite. After our stop in the tavern, things are a lot nicer. It's actually like a plate. His hair is still bad. Still looks like you crawled out of a television set. The sky has regained some color. There's still people screaming in horror joy. And there's, I doubt you'll be able to see it, but there's a dang rainbow. We gotta see if we can get a shot of the rainbow over the castle. Aw, dang.
I've been doing this for 30 minutes. I don't really have much grip anymore. Why am I still doing this?
Here, Connor, get in there.
I can get it to go all the way around. Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for getting the light up again. Yay!
You're my favorite Disney character.
Oh, thank you. Aloha!
That's about as good as you can get.
Where am I going?
Rain started early, rain ended early. Huh. I'd call that a pretty successful Disney journey.
Yeah, why not?
Aside from the being very wet, I think this should teach you a life lesson. We could have left a lot earlier. We stuck it through, though.
Yeah.
Do you believe in magic now?
I never didn't believe in magic.
Muggle.